We begin tonight with a legal battle over life, and at the center of it all, a baby boy. The baby was born today by surrogate in Dallas, but here's the twist. We're told the infant's biological parents did not want the child to be born at all.
This is a complicated case that raises a lot of ethical and emotional issues. So let's get right to Jobin Paniker. So Jobin, you spoke to the surrogate's attorney today. What started all of this?
Well, John, what started is when doctors found a heart defect in that child, and ever since then, it's been a tug of war over that child.
It is a conflict between biological parents and a surrogate mother. And in the middle, a baby boy born here at Medical City, Dallas, Thursday morning.
There's a difference of opinion on how the baby should have been or might have been handled post and pre-birth, because there's a demarcation.
Today, we met with attorneys John Schorsch and Karen Turner. They represent the surrogate mother who's from the DFW area.
My client doesn't believe in abortion, and she was never told by any medical doctor or any type of doctor that that this type of defect is a reason to abort a child.
The biological parents are from a different state, which makes an already complex issue more so. This is the timeline. 16 weeks into the pregnancy, the first trimester, their client, the surrogate, learned the child had a heart defect. The attorneys tell us the biological parents, who have not been publicly identified, wanted their client to abort the child. This week, the child was full term and was born Thursday.
There's a lack of uniformity in surrogacy contracts. There's a lack of uniformity because of the different legal regimes, state to state.
The attorneys argue Texas health code protects the surrogate mom's right not to abort. But answers aren't so clear when you have biological parents from a different state and the surrogate group, another state.
And all she's ever wanted is this child to have a fighting chance.
It is believed the baby boy born Thursday will need surgeries, one likely very soon. Medical City could not confirm any details because of HIPAA rules.
Birth mother, our client, is more or less locked out from the ongoing flow of information.
Now, we reached out to the biological parents' attorney several times today. We did not hear back. The surrogate did want to stress a couple things. One, that surrogacy does work despite all that's happened here, and wishes that she knew what her rights were as a surrogate mother.
Jobin, before you go, is there any indication at all whether or not this child has received life-saving surgery yet?
Well, at this point, we know we're dealing with a lot of privileged medical information. There is a lot we do not know. We do not know if that child has received that care. We do know that the Attorney General, Ken Paxton, as well as the Assistant District Attorney here in Dallas, they are now involved.
All right,
John?
thanks a lot. Jobin Paniker reporting for us tonight. Thank you, Jobin.